Hello everyone, my name is Kathleen Smith, and I think one of the most interesting things about me is that I have been happily married for 28 years, and I truly love my family. My husband and I just celebrated our 28th wedding anniversary in February. We have 3 grown children whose ages are 19, 23, and 27, and we also have 2 grandchildren who are 6 and 7. My hometown is Kansas City, Missouri, but I have lived in Kansas for the past 28 years. I enjoy the Midwest, but I also love to travel. We just got back from our spring break trip to Los Angeles, California, and I loved being able to be immersed in the movie industry out there, but I know that Kansas will probably always be my home. My hobbies are all entertainment based. I love watching movies and also capturing videos and photos for myself. Life passes us by too quickly, and I feel archiving all of those moments are so important. I also love watching a movie and being transported into another person's viewpoint and perspective. It gives me great knowledge of the world and is my favorite creative outlet. I also have a loyal friend in my dog Taffy who is always there waiting eagerly for my arrival and who watches countless movies at my feet. I pursued my Bachelor of Science degree in journalism because I thought I would be an on-air news anchor when I was a little younger. That dream has now faded, and I instead chose to inspire students in convergence journalism and entertainment video. My mother is a professor at JCCC and influenced me into my decision to teach. She loves her students and she enjoys going to work every day. And she is now in her mid-70s and still truly enjoying teaching. I believe I can follow in her footsteps. I am a video instructor at Olathe Northwest, and I teach entertainment and convergence journalism video. This is my 2nd year of teaching. Last year, I taught graphic design and video. I am also the 21st e-communication facilitator and co-sponsor of Student Council. I have a passion for students and making them successful. I hold a Bachelor of Science in Journalism from KU, and this is my last course in completing my Master's of Education at FHSU. I love learning and sharing that new knowledge, and I am truly enjoying this change into education. When my own children became older, I realized that I still wanted to impact kids. I wanted all kids to know that they could have a bright future ahead, and I wanted to be one of those guiding forces that got them there. That is why I decided to become a teacher. My short-term goals are to continue teaching entertainment video at Olathe Northwest. I love teaching my students and seeing them grow and develop. My long-term goals are for me to become an administrator. I was a manager for Gap stores for over a decade, and I believe I can make a positive impact on more students in an administrative role. I hope to learn how to structure my curriculum to impact each and every student in my classroom in active engagement. I want to learn how to design a curriculum that will be challenging them on an individual level of growth as they continue their project-based learning in my classes. I am excited to learn new curriculum-focused ideas, and thanks for taking the time to watch my video. I am excited to be in this class, and I look forward to interacting with you all.